Hello everyone, welcome to the Solid Edge tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn engineering references option. In that, today we will learn sprocket designer. So let's get started. To generate or create a sprocket in Solid Edge, we need some input parameters like type of chain, number of strands for the chain, number of teeth on sprocket, mounting hole diameter of the sprocket, then transmission ratio and center distance. So these are the input parameters required to generate. And steps to follow. We have to follow some steps in the solid edge to generate CAD model. So first step is to go to the engineering references from tools option. Then second step is to click on sprocket designer from that engineering references option. First step is to fill the necessary input data that we discussed in the previous slide. Then calculate and verify the result. Here we have option in solid edge to verify the input parameters so that appropriate CAD model will be generated. Then select appropriate options from the options menu that we will see in the CAD. If all the calculation results are okay as per our requirement, then we will go to the generate CAD model. So let's get started with solid edge, new metric part. Step is to go to the tools and click on engineering references. Then go to sprocket designer, click on it. Now this is the input parameters window. Second tab is calculation results and third is calculation dimensions. So these are the dimensions like chain pitch, maximum roller diameter, like that. All the dimensions are here in the calculated dimensions tab. So first is design parameters, sprocket dimension and assembly dimensions. These are the input required. So we will select here chain type like normal series, heavy series, or what is our requirement. Like I will select normal series. Then chain number, we have here list of the chain. Select any number from this list. Then efficiency, number of sprocket required, 2. Then number of chain strands. So SN is equal to 1 means only one single strand is there for chain. 2 means 2 strands. 3 means 3 strands are there for chain. So we will select here 2 stranded. Then speed, number of teeth requirement. As per your requirement, you can mention here number of teeth. Also mounting hole diameter for the sprocket. The center one, the shaft diameter for the sprocket, we can control from this area. So transmission ratio 2, you can increase this one or decrease. Then center distance. Now just click on calculate. Here we will get the result like it is fail. We have to click on this question mark. So we will get the exact reason of the failure. The chain for the selected chain number is simplex chain. Use the number of strands as 1. So we have selected 2 stranded chain. So type of the chain is simplex. So we have to select single strand. Then static coefficient less than the minimum allowable static coefficient. And calculated dynamic coefficient is less than the maximum allowable dynamic coefficient. So we will change the number of strands and then recalculate the results. Now it is pass. So these are the results for the input parameter. We can check here sprocket teeth and torque and all the specification, angle of contact, like that specifications. Also suppose I need a report for this calculation. I have option here. Click on report and save it in the folder like sprocket design, sprocket save. Now this is text file has been saved at that location. We can check the text file. So this is the result. All the information that is been listed will be saved here. Chain dimensions, chain pitch, maximum roller diameter, minimum width over inner plate, like that all the dimensions has been derived in this result. So this is the report for that calculation. So go to SolidWorks, solidedge once again. Go to design parameters once again. Here we have option for the design parameters, input values. So these are the conditions to derive sprocket. First one is a design criteria, like based on the center distance or based on the number of chain links. Right now we have chosen based on the center distance. That's why we can enter here center distance. Suppose I will choose this one and click OK. Now this will not be allowed to enter center distance. We have to enter number of chain links. Like that, we have to select the appropriate option from this options menu. Like that, a design method we have here. Right now it is based on the transmission ratio. We have another option based on the sprocket teeth. So suppose I choose this one and click OK. So center distance is here, but the transmission ratio is not there. So I will choose this based on the transmission ratio. Number of chain links, odd or even or only even. Like that options we have. So select appropriate option from this design parameters and click OK, so that you can enter here that value for the as an input. Now click on calculate. It is OK. It is passed. Now click on create. Select folder to save these parts. So sprocket 1 has been saved. So sprocket 2 is also saved in the desired location. Now we will open the sprockets from recent sprocket 2 or 1. So this is the sprocket we have generated from engineering references. View, part painter, like black dull. This is the sprocket. Now we can modify this sprocket as per our requirement, like the mounting hole diameter. I can modify from this sketch. Just go to the sketch and edit profile. Here you can dimension it as per your requirement. Right now it is 20. You can make it if required 40. Also, if you want to edit this profile, you can just go to cutout, edit profile, and from this option you can edit this profile as well. You can dimension it. You want to change the angle between these two, so you can modify this profile as well. So this is the sprocket generation method in solidedge. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.